Welcome to our journey into the world of construction, where every detail matters and preparation is key. Did you know that 70% of construction projects exceed their budget? That's a staggering number that can spell disaster if you're not prepared. Stick around to learn the basics that can save you from this fate. Hi everyone, welcome back to Suggest Sunny. Today, we're shifting gears to talk about essential construction knowledge every beginner must have to succeed in the field. Whether you're building a house or any other building, these basics are crucial. Construction projects are full of challenges. Budget overruns, safety hazards, and miscommunication are just a few issues that can derail a project. But with the right knowledge and preparation, these problems can be managed effectively. First up, project planning. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any successful construction project. Next, understanding blueprints is crucial. These are the maps that guide the entire process. Safety regulations are another critical area. Knowing and adhering to these can prevent accidents and save lives. Finally, effective use of equipment is essential for efficiency and quality. Let me tell you about a successful project that illustrates the importance of these basics. A team managed to complete a massive stadium project on time and under budget because they had a solid grasp of these fundamental concepts. Their success story is a testament to the power of proper construction knowledge. To recap, mastering project planning, blueprints, safety regulations, and equipment usage are crucial for anyone in the construction industry. Preparation and knowledge are your best tools. Do you have any construction experiences to share? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And ring the bell to get notified every time we post a new video.